Hey, good morning.
Morning.
Have you been looking for free AI tools you can actually use to animate your videos or create a full dialogue stories with perfect lip syncing? This video is actually for you. In today's video, I'm going to review the free AI tool you can use to create a perfect dialogue stories. And the crazy part of it is this: you can actually do this stuff using your Android smartphone, and that's actually what I'll be doing in today's video. But the tricky part is this: if you did not watch this video from very start to the end, you will not understand how to actually use this particular AI to create unlimited dialogue videos that is monetizable. So stay with me from very start to the end, subscribe and turn on notification sign so you always get notified whenever what I drop an amazing tutorial video. Let us dive into the full tutorial video now. After you've gotten your story script, I just don't want to waste time. Do you understand? So after you've gotten your story script, and then you have to generate your images from Flow AI. Do you understand? So after you've gotten your images, then don't forget that whenever you are creating your stories, you need action prompts, that's motion prompts, that can actually tailor the movement of the character, the reaction, the fixed expression and everything. Is very, very important, and which is what you are actually seeing on my screen like this. Do you understand? So here is scene 1, then this is scene 2. So what I'll be doing basically is to show you how this AI actually works when it comes to making two characters to interact or talk. Do you understand? So what I'll be doing basically is this: I have all my images ready already, so I'm going to head over to this particular AI. Now this is where you can actually get this AI. So go to your Play Store or your Apple Store. If you're using Android, go to your Play Store. Then when you go to your Play Store, you search for this AI. They says what? Tinker by Spotify. Now as you can see, I have downloaded this AI already, so that's why you are seeing the open button. So when you click, after you've downloaded this particular AI from Play Store, then when you open this AI, the very first thing you need to do is to sign in into this AI, because if you did not sign in, you will not be able to create anything here. So to sign in, you have to click on your sign in and then select this option that says what? Continue with Google. So when you click on continue with Google, then from here just click any AI, any email that you want to sign in with. Then you click on this page that says agree and share. So once you click on this, it's going to take seconds, then you will be signed into this particular AI. So I am automatically in now on this particular AI. Now if you come to this particular AI, look at this place, product editorial shots. You can do product editorial shots, you can do product lifestyle shots. Then there is a lot you can actually do with this particular AI. Now if you want to generate your video, you have to tap on this place that says what? Type to generate. So once you click on this place, then it's going to bring you to this part. So once you are here, the very first thing you will notice is this 3 text here. One says image, the other one says video, and then the other one says text. Image is you can generate image on this particular AI. Then video is you converting your images into video. Then text is converting your text into video. So what I'm doing basically is what? Converting what? My images into video. So I'm going to select the option that says what? Video. So after you've selected the option that says video, then you will see these 3 options here. So this first one here is where you will paste your dialogue, like what you want the AI, what you want the images to say when converted to video. Then this is where to select the images you want to convert from image to a talking photo. So let's do that together. So I'm going to click on this place, and then I'm going to paste this particular prompt here. So when I paste this particular prompt here, so here I'm going to say what? Daniel. So now I have to specify who Daniel is, so that this AI will actually understand who is saying and who is to reply. So I'll be like Daniel the guy. Daniel the guy said. Now this stuff is actually important because it will help AI to guide both characters not to actually speak at the same time. Do you understand? So the AI will understand that Daniel is the one to start up the conversation. Then the second character will be the one to reply what the first character actually said. So that's the work of this Daniel the guy said. Then Sandra the girl replied. So after you've gotten this stuff, don't forget to always do what? includes is both characters to speak in Nigeria, English speaking accent with normal passing. Now, why I included this normal passing is this. At times, if you did not include this stuff, when the video is converted, when the image is converted into video, you will notice that both characters will be talking very fast. Like their talking will be very, very fast. So that was why I included this normal passing. I don't want their conversation to be slow. I just want it to be moderate. Do you understand? So that's the work of that. So after you've done that, you click on this good icon here to store this. So after you've clicked on this good icon, now before we proceed, if you click on this place now, you will see many AI image to video generator you can use for free on this particular Tinker by Spotify. So here the one we are using is Google View here. Then as you can see, aside from Google View, you can use Kling video generator, you can use Kling video editor, then you can use Cydian video generator. So these are the top AIs you can actually use for free once you've gotten your Tinker by Spotify. So after you've gotten this ready, so the next thing you have to do is to bring in the image. So you just have to tap here and automatically it's going to redirect you. Do you understand? Then you click on this place, then it will take you straight to your phone gallery. Then from this your phone gallery, you will now select the image you want to use. So I want to use this particular image, so you have to wait for the image to come here. Now this one is not necessary, you just need one image. Do you understand? Me, I posted one image and the result was actually amazing. So after you've gotten this stuff now, so the next thing you have to do is this, guys. Then look at this place that says additional settings. So once you click on this additional settings here, you need to select your aspect ratio. Are you seeing it? So here I'm going to select 16:9. Then after that, your seconds video, I think I'm going to use 6 seconds. Can you see balance duration? So it will be okay like that. Then the rest of it is okay. So after you've gotten this, then the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and generate your video. That says slide to generate. So you have to place your hand where the arrow is and then slide it forward, then you release it. So once you release, automatically this AI will start the conversion for you. So as you can see, we are waiting for our video to be generated. Now it is going here, the process is actually showing here. So let's just exercise patience and see how this result will actually turn out to be, guys. Then if at this point you've not subscribed to this channel, it's very, very important to subscribe and turn on notification sign so you keep getting notified when I drop an amazing tutorial video like this one you are watching. Okay, now so as you can see, this video is generated. Let me play this video so we see how this video actually looks like.
Hey, good morning.
Morning.
Hey, good morning.
Morning.
Hey, good morning.
So now can you see how this stuff actually is? To me, I think this is actually okay, because if you look at the mouth movement and what the AI actually said, it was perfect. Then the body movement, then the face expression. And the crazy part is this, don't forget, on that particular conversation I said Sandra was cold with her reply. So as you can see, Sandra's reaction here is actually like showing like someone that is not even interested in the conversation. So I think this AI is actually perfect.